Hello and welcome back to KM Webbers. This is Kashif Mahmood. In this video, I will tell you how you can add new menu items and link them to the section of the page. Here you can see currently two menu items are showing home and blog. Now we want to add about and services tab over here in the menu. So when user will click on about, then they will be scrolled to the bottom to this section. And when they will click on the services, then they will scroll down to this section. So we are going to add these two menu items. So let's start the video. First of all, we will have to click on edit with Elementor as our website is created with Elementor page builder. If you're using any other page builder, then the process will be same as well. Just open the editor mode on the page where you have the sections that you want to link in the menu. So just open the editor mode. Now we can close this and we will scroll to this section. This is the about section, so we want to link it with the about menu that we will add. So just click on this six dot button, go to advanced, and here under CSS ID write about, and similarly scroll bottom to the service and click on this six dot button, go to advanced, and here under CSS ID write services. So just remember the spellings because we will need that later on. If you will make any spelling mistake, then it will not work. So just click on publish now, and now let's go to the dashboard, and here we will have to scroll down and we will go to appearance and menus. Here open the menu that you want to edit. You can change the menu from here. I am using this new menu that is set to the primary menu, so I will have to add new items over here. Now we will go to custom link and we will write about text as about, and here under URL we will have to type the URL of the website. This is the domain that I am using, so I will type that. You can type your domain, and after that type a hash over here and write the CSS ID that you have written in the Elementor. So here you can see I have written that, and I will have to add a hash in start of it. Now click on add to menu, and similarly for the services, just type the domain name again and write the hash, and now write services, and under link text type the name for the menu and click on add to menu. So just make sure to include this domain name. If you will just type hash about over here, then it will also work. But when you will go to the different page, for example, if we will go to the contact page and then we will click on the dev menu, then it will not work. And now you can see about and services. So let's click on about, and here you can see it scroll to the bottom on about page. And now let's click on services, and here you can see it's working fine as well. And for example, if you go to the different page, that is about page in my case, then here if you will click on services, then it will be redirected to the services section on the home page. So here you can see. If you need any help in fixing or building your website, just let me know. My contact details are provided in the description of the video. Like this video, leave a comment and subscribe to my channel for more related videos. See you next time.